Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue key battery. Begin by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and the correct CR2032 battery. Carefully pry the fob open at the seam and remove the old battery while noting orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the same polarity, reassemble the fob, and test the remote from a few feet away. If the remote does not respond, reseat the battery and try again. Gather tools and clear a workspace before starting to avoid losing small parts. Use a coin or flathead at the seam and gently twist to separate the fob halves without forcing plastic clips. Note how the battery sits and lift the old CR2032 out carefully to avoid bending contacts. Place the new battery in the same orientation and press the fob halves back together until clips click. Test the key remote and recheck if needed. After inserting the new battery, align any rubber pads and make sure contacts touch the cell properly before closing the fob. Press firmly along the seam until you hear clips click, and then test every button to confirm the signal transmits. If one button feels soft, reopen and reseat the pad or battery. For persistent issues, try a fresh CR2032 or clean contact surfaces gently with isopropyl on a cotton swab to improve conductivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.